Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I have a ThredUp 25-piece mixed women's clothing box unboxing for you guys. The last one I got, it was very bread and butter, so I just want to check the temperature on this. I did have a little bit of a credit to use towards this box. Spent about $74 after taxes and fees and shipping and all that. And so that breaks it down to just under $3 per piece if I were to keep all 25 pieces. I've mentioned before, I know I've been doing a lot of these. One, I like to. Two, I really want to check how this box is compared to my last one and see like what the difference kind of is, because the 25-piece women's clothing box used to be like my top favorite box. Now, well, one of my top favorite boxes. My top one is probably still the denim one, but the shoe one's also up there too. So yeah, we'll see what we got in here. Fingers crossed, hopefully it's good. But I've also mentioned, one, I've had credits, two, I just like doing it. Three, I'm in my third trimester. It's harder to actually shop for long periods of time at the thrift store. I just get very tired, and my thrift store prices are kind of high. So this usually makes it worth it. Hopefully this box is worth it. We shall see. But yeah, also I do try to be like slightly picky. But yeah, we'll see how picky I can afford to be with this box here. So also I'm sitting because it's easier for me to sit right now. All right, Banana Republic Superfine Merino, size small petite. Okay, if this is the theme for the whole box, then it's gonna be just like my last box, which, you know, it's okay. This is really in good condition, and it does 100% merino wool, so I will definitely try to sell that. Okay, another thing par for course from last time is this loft piece. Oh no, oh, hold on, pause. Okay, is this loft piece, but this one's new, tag size small. It's really cute. I love this little style. Look how cute that is with the embroiders and the kind of scalloping. It makes me think of very like boho cottagecore type-esque. So yeah, I'll definitely sell that too. Okay, this is Club Monaco, which I know is a good brand, but sometimes the resell on it is a little hard. I don't see a size on it either. So I'll have to measure it. If I had to guess, it looks like a small, but I'll put measurements and everything. But I'm not mad about it. It's a cotton little, is it a dress? I think it's a little mini dress or a tunic length, but I will sell that, even though it doesn't have a size. I'll just make a big note about it. And Taylor, size medium. This is a cute floral. Feels very my mother-in-law. Hey, Jacob.
Yeah.
Doesn't this top seem like your mom? Or am I like way off?
Oh no, that's mom.
Yeah. Jennifer, if you're watching, I feel like this would be a top you would wear. And so does Jacob, so I'm not crazy. Size medium, but I will try to sell that one. Another Club Monaco, size 2, so maybe that's an extra small. This looks like vintagey style. Oh, I can't even think of what these are called. Just like striping. Like a skater flared skirt. I can't think of words. It's okay. But I will sell that. Next, Banana Republic Factory, the Martin Fit. This one does not have wool in it. I have a couple Martin Fit from Banana Republic that are wool blends, but I will try to sell those two. They're in good condition. Were you just waiting to see how long it took me to look at you?
Yes.
All right, this is kind of cool. Okay, the filling isn't anything, but it's Ralph Lauren Active, but it looks like an older tag. You see that tag?
I've seen those things before.
Is it older?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I thought. Size large. This will be good for like fall. I will need a couple fall pieces to list. Not that my death pile isn't huge, but that's okay. Loft outlet size extra large. This is the only thing so far that I might debate. It is a Pima cotton blend. It's just a very basic top, which can be good. But this one I'm kind of 50-50 on that one. Just because it is so plain. This is a Joie, I don't know how you say this brand. Size small. I know this one again is a really high retail value, but the resale can be kind of hit or miss on it. This is the brand label is. I don't know how you pronounce it. It's Joie. So, is this fabric anything? Oh, it is 100% silk though, so that's good. I'm sorry, sometimes things feel like silk, sometimes they don't. Or what I imagine silk in my mind feeling, but I will try to sell that. Okay, what is this little retro-y looking thing? J. Crew Factory wool blend skirt in a size 6. Look how like, I feel like this looks 90s or like a 90s couch. Just a little pencil work skirt. I'll sell that. Somebody commented last time that they feel like these boxes have just become like a bunch of Loft and Banana Republic and that sort of thing. And that, you know, I'm getting, that's what I'm getting. I'm getting that exact same vibe. J. Crew Factory size 2, but I think these are wool. Yeah, wool blend pants. They're like, it's very interesting plaid work pants. They look like pajama pants, like that pattern, but they are actual trousers, but I'll sell them. Gotta keep the cost of goods semi-low, so. J. Crew Factory Ruby pant size 2. I'm pretty sure my last box I got this exact same pant, so I will try to sell them. I might just do a multi-quantity, but yeah, I'll try to sell those, but I'm gonna keep them kind of out. That way then I can just be like, you know, loading them in really fast. Okay, Loft extra small. These are faux leather pants. They are new with tags. Yes. I will try to sell these. I would not personally wear these, but because I'm pretty sure I would get way too hot in these pants, but I'm sure somebody will rock these pants. I feel like very cybercore is what these pants are. What?
Well, you can have core at the end of anything.
it's an aesthetic. All right. Next we have new attacks Banana Republic Factory, the Hayden pant in a size 6 tall, so a good size. Okay, yeah, the blend is nothing. Just a classic pair of work pants. They're new with tags, so I'll sell them. Okay, International Concept size small. I don't think that this brand is really anything but wowza. This is very coquette-y. Very girly, Y2K girly. Brats, not coquette. I'm not so sure on. Loft outlet size 6. I think these are like a faux suede. Yeah, faux suede skirt, but this is really cute for like the holiday season. Look how cute that skirt is. I love that. I'll sell it. Sometimes I'll sell things just because I like them. Okay, Sachin and Bobby. I'll show you the tag here in just a second. Size 0. Dress. I can't tell what this fabric is. It's just like polyester. Yeah, polyester. Okay. I don't know anything about this, but it is a tacked little label. Or is this a robe? This might be a robe. I don't know, because I don't know anything about this brand. I don't know if they do sleepwear, but that is the brand. I will look this up. Very intriguing. I'm gonna set that right here behind me to look up. Please don't fall. Next, 41 Hawthorne, size 2X. I think this is like a Stitch Fix type brand. It's not my favorite brand to sell, but the size is good, so I'll try to sell it. Okay, 18 pieces so far. I feel like I have more than 7 left, so we'll see. We'll count it all up at the end. Loft, size medium. Little shirt with the... What are you doing?
I was acting like bridge.
Okay. It's like this sheer type material on the front, but then it's like a different material on the back. Okay, Trove. I don't know what this brand is. Size small. It's just a little tank top. I'll show you the brand. I don't know what this brand is, but I'll look it up just to see. Right. Oh no, maybe I did get exactly 25 because there's something big at the bottom. Torrid, size 3 Torrid. Again, I don't usually pick up much anymore, but I will try to sell this. It's a good, oh, nope, there's a big stain in the back. Big stain. So this will be a definite nip. Sanctuary, size 2X. I'll try to sell this as well. Not like super exciting, but still good. Free People, size large. So very different Free People tag. It's not that metal tag. I don't know if that makes it older or what, but little off the shoulder type dress, but I will sell that. New with tags, Banana Republic factory, size small. Little top. This is very like whimsy goth, I feel. Also that. Michael Kors with the size tag on. Let's see if it's got the interior. Nope, they ripped out the interior tag. If I had to guess, it's probably about a size small. It's a cute little like boho style top, so I'll probably try to sell it. Okay, and the last thing in the box is a big thing here. This is Michael Kors size medium. Like a, it's not a puffer jacket. I don't know the names of jackets, but it's a big heavy jacket. Oh my goodness. Let's see, what is the filling I've left? No. The shell is a wool blend. And the insulation is duck down feathers and waterfowl feathers. So, yeah, okay. That is nice. That is big, and I don't know how I'll store it, but I will sell it. So let's count up everything. Or actually, let me look at these two things, and then we'll count up everything. Okay. So in my quick comp search, this Trove top didn't really seem like that much. So I'm going to put it here in my I'm not really sure about stack right here. So we'll see on that. But this however you say it, Sachin and Bobby. Comps were mixed, but comps were still good on this. I will check this out. So counting my horse jacket here, 1, 2. Okay, so I have 21 pieces that I will for sure be selling. So taking my $74 that I spent divided by that was, sorry, $3.52. $3.52 per piece, which, I mean, that's pretty good. Keeping it under 5 was my ideal, so that's good. I mean, I know not everything, a lot of this is just bread and butter type stuff, but that's okay. And then these 4 pieces, I'm just not sure about these. It would lower my cost of goods, so I might also include these. I don't know yet, we'll see. And then the 1 Torrid piece, so I think I got 1 over. That would be 26 items. I got one more than I was technically supposed to, but it's stained really bad. I don't think I could even get that out. But yeah, let me know what you thought of my box down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.